There's few monuments more iconic in Canada than Toronto's CN Tower. I turned this larger-than-life building into a desk lamp. The design is fully 3D printed, with an emphasis on easy assembly. The revolving restaurant screws onto the base. A translucent piece mimics windows and acts as a light diffuser. We can insert either a battery-powered light or a corded one. The top then snaps on. We'll screw on the antenna to complete the tower. I think it turned out quite well. What other monuments do you think would make good household decor, and what function could they serve? Let me know in the comments down below.